Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eden. I do cleaning and organizing videos, and today I am going to cook for an event. And this video is for the kids who grow up here, the young kids. So I want to teach them how to make some food for a family or for anybody, but I'm gonna make a large size for an event. So I am going to make a lasagna and glazed chicken and macaroni and cheese. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like videos like this, please let me know, because I'm gonna make more for you guys. I'm sorry, I've been making a lot of Tigrinya videos but not English, but I will make sure that I include you so you can learn, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask me. And thank you so much. I hope you enjoy it. Okay guys, I am going to start from lasagna. Today I will make two kinds of lasagna. One is vegetarian, one is with ground beef. That's what I'm gonna make. Some of my family members don't eat no meat, so it's understandable. So I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the vegetables and the ground beef. For those who like Tigrinya videos, I do have those videos on archive. Please check out the previous videos of mine. So I teach my children how to cook since they were very little. So now they cook on their own. They don't wait for people to cook or go to restaurants eat, but they make whatever they want. Like vegetarian, one of my children are vegetarian, one of them is vegetarian, and the other one is Gideon used to make videos with me in here, and he still is cooking a lot of amazing food. So I just want you to learn from your other YouTubers. If you are interested in measurements, I do have like older videos that I included the measurements. I'm gonna put that on the description box for you guys so you can see. Another thing I want to tell you is there is a friend of mine started YouTube channel, and I will put her channel on the description box. Please check her out. She's new. She lives in Africa. Her name is Mana. So I'm gonna leave her information on description box. Please subscribe to her, okay? Please, everybody subscribe and tell her you can make it, okay? Please, thank you. For the vegetarian lasagna, I'm using carrots and green peppers to have extra flavor. Actually, the green pepper is so good even with the ground beef. It's okay if you add a little bit because it's very sweet. You can use any oil you have at home, but I like to use the extra virgin olive oil. That's very it has the flavor that I love, so that's what I'm gonna use. I previously prepared my ground beef, and now I add it to my onions, and the other one I will add the green peppers. And of course ginger and garlic, that's a must, so that's what I add. I also added some Maggi, which is a chicken dado. That's what I add. I'm not gonna add anything for the vegetarian. And I'm adding 3 pastes, tomato paste and marinara sauce. And I also added some black pepper and some parsley. also added some salt because the dado is not enough, so it needs a little bit of salt, and I also add salt in the other vegetarian sauce. For my vegetarian dish, I added 2 tomato pastes and 1 Prego marinara sauce. I also added some ginger and garlic that I prepared earlier. Now both of my sauces are ready, so we are going to go ahead prepare our lasagna. This time I got the instant lasagna, which is already cooked, so you don't need to cook it, just assemble it. So that's what I'm gonna do. First I will do the meat lasagna, and then we're gonna do the vegetarian lasagna. Okay, so this is how I assemble it. I like to add cottage cheese instead of bechamel because I think it's more rich and is easy. And of course you have to add Parmigiano Reggiano for extra flavor. And this is the final layer. The final layer requires extra sauce, everything extra actually. And the next one is my vegetarian lasagna. I'm gonna go ahead and assemble that too. Just added a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano, and I'm gonna go ahead and cover it and make a hole on the aluminum foil. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put it in oven 450 degrees for about 45 minutes. It's done, and to make sure the top is crispy, I open it for a few minutes. Now it's done and it's ready to eat. Next we will make honey glazed chicken drums, and I'll show you how I do the sauce. And before I start, I marinated the chicken with lemons and spices of overnight, so it's about ready. I'm gonna cook those, and then I'm gonna make some glaze. To make the glaze, I use 1 onion and garlic and olive oil. Next, I will cook the drums for about half an hour without the sauce. So that's what I'm gonna do. I add a little bit of olive oil and I roast them in the oven 350 degrees for about half an hour. To make the sauce, we need to roast the onions and garlic at the same time. Okay, when it's fully cooked, I add some honey. I also added the chicken marinade that I saved. Of course, I added some hot sauce for the heat. I took out the chicken from the oven and I add the sauce I made. 45 minutes later, the chicken is done. You can see how beautiful it looks, and I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. You better try this recipe because this is the most delicious chicken I ever tasted before. And next I'm gonna go ahead and make mac and cheese. The day I make mac and cheese, I made 2 of them because I make one for my neighbor too. She was waiting for me, so I'm making one for her and one for my children. Of course, first I have to make a sauce for a bechamel sauce for the mac and cheese. So I'm gonna need 1 butter for 2 big dish of mac and cheese. If you are making one, half is enough. Half stick of the butter, which is half a cup, and this one is 1 cup. I'm using all-purpose flour to make it thick. After the flour and butter is cooked, I add some cream cheese and also milk. After the milk is boiled, add some cheese. I like to use a sharp cheddar cheese. Now the bechamel is ready, it's thick, so I'm gonna go ahead and cook the pasta. Okay, my macaroni is cooked well and it's ready, so I put a little bit extra cheese and then I'm gonna add the sauce I made. and I like to add a little bit of crumbs on the top. You make sure you cover it all. So I put it in an oven 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. Okay, you guys, the mac and cheese looks so wonderful. My children loved it. If you like it, please let me know what kind of videos you want to see next, because I put you first this time. I'm so sorry I haven't posted so much for you guys, but it will be my priority as my channel is intended to you from the beginning, and I love you all. Thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe to Mana's channel. I'm gonna leave her information on the description box. I love you all. Bye.